A very good afternoon to one and all. My topic is post-cataleptic antidepressant activity of Kampavatari Rasa by reserpine-induced hypothermia reversal and tail suspension test in Swiss albino mice. Kampavatari Rasa is a herbo-mineral preparation which has been used in Indian ancient medicine system to treat Kampavata, a condition which is similar to Parkinson's disease associated with depression. So far, no studies has been done to evaluate the study of its effect on Parkinsonism associated with depression. Objective of the study is to study the effect of or to evaluate the post-cataleptic antidepressant activity of Kampavatari Rasa in Swiss albino mice and check for the effect of Parkinsonism associated disease. Methods: Institutional Animal Ethics Committee approval was obtained before the study was carried out. And these are the drugs that I used: distilled water, reserpine, haloperidol, Kampavatari Rasa low dose, Kampavatari Rasa high dose, imipramide and benztropine. So all this was orally administered, dissolving in distilled water for 0.1 ml. In 0.1 ml distilled water, reserpine and haloperidol was administered intraperitoneally. Methods: Catalytic score was assessed by administering haloperidol to all the groups except for the control group, and the mouse was placed on a wooden bar, and the movement of the head or the removal of the forelimb was noted with respect to time, and cessation of catalepsy was considered if the movement of the head or the forelimb was moved from the wooden bar. Reserpine was administered to assess the hypothermia reversal. That is, reserpine is inducing hypothermia, which is closely associated with depression. So, if the drug was able to reverse the hypothermia, then it shows antidepressant activity. And tail suspension test was carried out to check for the mobility and immobility of the mice by handing it passively for 5 minutes, that is 300 seconds, and then the antidepressant activity was assessed. Result was expressed as mean plus or minus standard error of mean, and analysis was done by using one-way analysis followed by Dunnett's post hoc test, and p-value less than 0.05 was considered statistically significant. So this is the cataleptic score table. Cataleptic score of all the group at 30 minutes, 60 minutes, 90 minutes, 120 minutes and 240 minutes was noted, and control group, the cataleptic induced group, the standard drug and the test drug. These are the two groups of test drug, low dose and high dose, and the test drug showed significant improvement in mobility which was comparative with the standard. This is the bar graph showing the same thing. Coming to temperature recording, that is to test the reversal of hypothermia. So the temperature was noted at 0 hour, first hour, second hour, third hour, fourth hour, fifth, sixth and the seventh hour. And the temperature was noted for all the groups. So the standard, that is reserpine, has shown extremely significant decrease in temperature, and standard has shown that the temperature was not significant, and the test drug has shown again not significant change in the temperature. So if you see the graph here, if you see the bar chart, this is the reserpine induced group. The temperature was drastically dropped. So this is the test drug, and this is the standard drug here, where I have given reserpine and imipramide. This is the standard drug for antidepressant. Reserpine is inducing depression. So the test drug is comparable with the standard. Coming to tail suspension test, the mobility and immobility was noted. So once again here this is the mobility time, that is with 300 seconds. Mobility and immobility, total time of 300 seconds, that is 5 minutes. Reserpine has shown mobility. The test drug. So Parkinson's disease is a chronic progressive neurodegenerative condition. Here I am checking for drug-induced Parkinsonism. So Compavatari has showed a reduced duration of catalepsy in both low dose and high dose, and has significantly reversed the hypothermia induced by reserpine. So this is being a herbomineral preparation, it has shown anti-Parkinsonism effect along with antidepressant effect. However, its mechanism of action has to be established by neurotransmitter assay and histopathological study, which for which the result is awaited. So future implications are, even though there are available a lot of anti-Parkinsonism drugs, various side effects are seen with these drugs. So we need to focus on drugs which will reduce the adverse effects and which can be used for long run, or it can be also used as an adjunct. So more studies are required to support the safety and efficacy of the medicine in human clinical trials. This is my reference. I thank my guide, co-guide and the subject expert for helping me. Also the departments which have helped me to carry out the research. And I thank the institution, that is Lakshmi Memorial Education Trust, for providing me with intramural fund. Thank you.
Can you go back to that slide which showed the effects of different
mobility?
Previous. Yes. You only replaced imipramine with KVM, Kantavara. The other two are standard.
So reserpine is inducing depression. Imipramine is an antidepressant. So I am comparing with imipramine, KVR low dose and KVR high dose. So these are the groups that are included.
Correct, but in that KVR, reserpine, haloperidol and imipramine.
Yes.
And along with KVR high dose, where is the significant change?
Sir, at the end of
most of the temperatures are all okay within 6
temperature, sir, if there is decrease in the temperature, it means depression is there. If my drug is trying to bring back the temperature to normal, so that is, it's not significant.
No, that's what with the imipramine and
yes,
the
sir.
KVR. Show me the difference. Where is it that it is significant KVR?
So it's coming back to normal temperature, so 36.76 here, and this is also 36 and 36 everywhere.
That's what I'm saying. So there's not much change.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, means the drug is effective in maintaining the temperature.
So both are effective, equally effective in maintaining.
Sir, for that I am waiting for my neurotransmitter assay, sir. That I was not able to carry out that part, since this is a part of my project. So only this I was able to complete so far. So I am waiting for that result. Then I can
go back to the control.
Yes.
Yeah, this one. Previous. This one. So it's not in the treatment of Parkinson's, but it's because of Parkinsonism-induced depression that it is a treatment. Parkinsonism, we know, is the problem with dopamine, and we need dopamine, and dopamine is one of the newer generation dopamine which are used. So, but the statement said that it's used in the treatment of Parkinson's.
Sir, drug-induced Parkinsonism, sir. That is haloperidol-induced. Haloperidol is an antipsychotic drug. So there, if patient is suffering from Parkinsonism, then this drug can be used.
The study topic headline should have been.
Sorry, sir?
The study topic headline should have been that. Very confusing what you presented and what this thing. Drug-induced Parkinson's as a.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Actually, that is my title and my PhD topic, so I have been using.